Hi, welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today I wanted to show you some mint white hot chocolate. This would be perfect for St. Patrick's Day. The amounts of the ingredients that you're going to need to make this recipe will be listed in the information box below. You can find it on the website or the Roku channel. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. Milk, half and half. White chocolate, and I'm using white chocolate morsels, peppermint extract, and green food coloring. To top the hot chocolate, you can either use mini marshmallows or you could use whipped cream, and I'm actually going to use some sprinkles. I'm going to turn this on and put it on a medium heat, and now I'm going to pour the milk and the half and half in. We're going to let this heat up on medium heat for about 5 minutes. My milk and half have been sitting here for 5 minutes and they're nice and hot, so now I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to take my chocolate and stir it in. I'm going to let this sit here for just a few minutes so that the chocolate can melt. The chocolate is melted, and now I'm going to put a teaspoon of peppermint extract in and some green food coloring, and I'm going to whisk this all together. So it's all incorporated, and now I'm ready to serve. Okay, so I have a pretty little mug here. I'm just going to pour this in. And I've chosen to use whipped cream, and I just had some of this in the refrigerator, so we're just going to top it with that. And then I'm going to put a few little sprinkles on top. This is mint white hot chocolate, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoy it.